dati diri ko nababay na GNN TV48 Naga.
Kalma. Lumipat lang ang GNN TV48 Naga sa channel at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nanguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang suwak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV48 Naga,
Bida ang Bicolano!
The world is our stage, and the Naga College Foundation has a mission to prepare every student for their elite roles in the future. Here, we learn and we grow.
NESCO Class 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of Naga City. Congratulations!
Once again, your Daragang Magayon 2024.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss Kaogma 2023 and Daragang Magayon 2024. And I am a Tiger Champion. Welcome to the home of the champions. CF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the Naga College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the Bicolano art and empowering Aragon artists. Now, let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services students. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine.
Alex offers an interactive platform that replicates a wide range of clinical scenarios, ensuring that the students are equipped with the skills and efficiency to excel in the healthcare industry. Another NCF investment on innovation is the NCF Criminal Justice Education Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol. NCF is one of the top 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education Central of Development in Criminology, the cradle of Bicolano top-notchers. NCF has unveiled its state-of-the-art language center of global learning and cultural competence. We are setting new standards in international education and securing a future of success for our students. Welcome to the newly opened Tigers Cafe 3. Nestled just below the NCF Language Center, the Tigers Cafe experience is a delightful blend of culture and comfort. We embody the farm-to-table concept, ensuring every bite is packed with quality and flavor. So here at the Agri-Technopreneurship Development Center, an organic farm in Pacol is where some of the supply of fresh, organic ingredients come from, which go straight to Tigers Cafe. This is the NCF training pool, where aspiring Tiger champions in swimming hone their skills. This world-class swimming pool offers the perfect environment for achieving aquatic mastery.